So this is just a little sneak peek into how you can curate your wardrobe differently and make it more interesting and fun for your big day. And I would say this is your big day. Style it the way you want, go with your vibe and be unique, be different. Shopping for weddings is exciting, and today's young brides always are looking for something new, something different and fresh. So here I am today at Taneira with Kaushalya, and we've just personally pulled out some amazing collection of Banarsi saris in lovely colors, and we're going to be talking about it. We're going to take you through the collection, the weaves, the colors, and just the way to style it.
Yeah. This is a classic red Banarsi. It's an all-over Kadwa Jal with a Sona Rupa. We've used motifs from the Shikargar family. It has peacocks and elephants and other motifs on the border, which is a Shikargar. Sitara, some bits on the styling.
Yeah, so this is a very classic Banarsi which can be worn in so many different ways.
So whatever your vibe is, if you're wearing it for your wedding, I would do a beautiful traditional drape.
And if you're taking into a fun contemporary evening wear look, then you could probably drape it over a skirt, or it could just be a lovely take on a half sari, don't you think?
Yeah, I think this works very well as a half sari, especially with the belt and handspray. And I love the way the blouse is done.
Yeah, it's just a little something to pop it up. Also, look at this. I thought this pallu was gorgeous and the color is really in. A bright color for a young bride.
So this is a true blue pink Banarsi. When I say true blue, I mean like this is the typical pink of a Banarsi, and it's a all over buttidar. And the special feature of this sari is the konya, where there is a mango in the corner. So saris like this are timeless pieces.
Yeah, it is. It's a beautiful piece.
You have styled it very differently. You can.
Yeah, I just thought the pallu is gorgeous. So if you want to just have it in the front, show it off a bit, you could keep the styling contemporary with a sleeveless blouse, or just go classic with a pink on pink. You can never go wrong. I just love styling a bright color with something contemporary like ivory. I think it's just brings it a fresh look. We have a lovely purple Banaras sari here, which you can actually style from the day to evening. Really depends on the vibe.
Absolutely. So basically, this is the Bangani purple, we brinjal purple. And it's a beautiful, it has all the elements of a bridal Banarsi. It's an all-over jal, it has the Sona Rupa butta. So like again, once you have the silver and the gold, you can do multiple things with your styling also. So that works really well.
Yeah.
And like you said, it's a great sari to go from morning to evening.
Whatever the occasion is, whether it's the wedding, a traditional day event, or it's the evening reception, you could style it with either gold or diamonds.
Kaushalya, I was just drawn to the sari instantly. Just look at the weave, the motifs. Something very very regal about it.
Absolutely. And the way you've draped it is like how the queens used to do earlier, You notice the queens would wear a heavy sari as a ghagra and then do another one around it. This is so much like this, and the perfect pick of two complementing colors of the Banarsi, the magenta and that red. So this particular sari is again a jal, but Banarsi interestingly also adds a note of Victorian influences in their motif language, because of the influence of the British. So see, this particular sari has gorgeous roses in a jar. Yeah. And this one is another kind of a flower, again a Victorian flower. But I love how both of them are coming together so well as an ensemble, one here and one there. And
Kaushalya, just look at this gorgeous pala.
So this particular Banaras is very special because I think it has a wonderful texture on the base of the fabric, which adds to the depth of the sari.
What is it? I can see that it's different from the other.
Yeah, it's a twill weave. And the motifs are also very, very intricate. It's a kadwa, of course, because only then can you get such intricacy on the sari itself. And Taneira spends a lot of time in the design influence, so you can see that very well. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So even in this, if you can see, each rose is a different color. We have used a lot of Meena, and even in this, the flowers are silver and gold. Gives you a lot of room for styling it differently.
Absolutely. I love the floral techniques on a very traditional Banarsi sari. So this is just a little sneak peek into how you can curate your wardrobe differently and make it more interesting and fun for your big day. There's really a vast range of Banarsi saris here, and you can style them so differently with jewelry. And I would say this is your big day. Style it the way you want, go with your vibe, and be unique, be different.
Absolutely.
It's important to be yourself.
Yes.